this kind of integration, where we are going to try to integrate this integration which involves partial fraction. We have this expression, and we have x divided with x plus 1 squared. Then we need to put this in partial fraction, and in partial fraction this is always equal to a over x plus 1, then plus b over x plus 1 squared. So this one will be x over x plus 1 squared, which is equal to, we need to find the common denominator, which is x plus 1 squared. Then this is a. We take this divided with this, we remain with a single factor, x plus 1, then plus b, because this divided with this is 1, multiply it here. Now, this one and this one will simplify. We remain with x, which is equal to ax plus a, then plus b. This a multiply here and here. And then, when you combine like terms, when we equate like terms, we say that ax is equal to x and a plus b is equal to 0. Here we don't have a constant which is 0. Then this will be equal to a equal to 1 when you simplify this x with this one. And if a is equal to 1, another one b is equal to negative a, which means that b is equal to negative 1. So after getting this now, we are going to simplify to put it here. When we put it here, we have the integration of 1 over x plus 1, then negative 1 over x positive 1 squared, or positive negative 1, like this. There is no problem, because b is negative 1, then dx. So we are going to integrate this. When integrating this, we integrate 1 by 1. Integration of 1 over x plus 1 dx, negative integration of 1 over x plus 1 squared dx. Now, this one is equal to what? This one is, when you integrate this, we get that the differentiation of this is equal to 1. So, this is ln of x plus 1. This one is ln of x plus 1. Then, negative, when I'm going to integrate this, we can say that let 1, let u equal to x plus 1, then 1 du is equal to 1 dx, which is this one. Now, when you substitute, we have the integration of 1 du over u squared. This one comes up, we will get integration of u power negative 2 du, which is equal to u power negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. And this is equal to what? This is equal to what? We can get that is equal to u power negative 1 over negative 1 plus constant, which is equal to negative u power negative 1 or negative 1 over u. You remember that u is equal to x plus 1. Now, the final answer, we have ln of this, ln of x plus 1, then negative, which is this one, times negative 1 over u, which is x plus 1, then plus a constant. So, the final answer of that is ln of x plus 1, positive 1 over x plus 1, then plus a constant. This is the final answer to that integration. So, thank you very much.